Hi guys, in today's tutorial, you'll learn how to access your Rover app and train inside of the headset. Once you have created an account with a REPS technician, you'll navigate over to the Oculus App Store inside of the headset. Once you're in the Oculus App Store, you'll go to the top of the panel and you'll type in Rover. That is R-O-V-R. Then select Go and you'll see a tab that says View App. Once you see the REPS logo, select the play button in the middle of the box. This will begin the app's download. This means you will now be able to launch the app without going into the App Store. Once you're inside the Rover app, everything is done hands-free. Simply move the red dot around with your head, staring at whatever you'd like to select. You'll know what you want is being selected when a green circle encompasses the red dot. Once you have logged into the REPS app, you'll find yourself on the home training page. Now, let's go over the different sections. At the top right of the screen, you'll have your power button. This is what you will use to exit the app. To the left, you have the settings panel. Here you will toggle with the language settings as well as how you'd like to download the clips. Directly to the left, you see the overall performance, or the stats panel. The video camera icon to the left of the performance panel is what you would use to cast using the RCVR app. Below the performance panel, you have your playlists and training clips. A playlist will have the specific training clips that you selected for your players to train with. There are a couple ways to download a playlist. You can go to the settings panel on the top of the screen and you can select download a complete playlist. This means that when you select a playlist, it will automatically download in the training clips row below. Or you can download the clips individually. Once you've downloaded a playlist, you can choose how the clips play inside of the headset. By selecting the Shuffle Playlist box, the clips will play in a random order. If you do not select this, the clips will play one after another. To exit the settings panel, look at the red arrow at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once you've selected your playlist, all the clips available for training will appear in the row below. If you selected Download Complete Playlist in the settings panel, all of the clips will download automatically. If not, you will have to look at the box and go to the top left-hand corner of the screen where it says Download Clip and download each of the videos individually. You'll know the videos are downloaded when they change from a shade of dark gray to light gray. When the clips are downloaded, click on the first one. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a circled eye. If the circled eye is white, that means there is additional play info. You can find the additional play info by clicking on that white circle. Not all clips will have info sheets. If there is no additional play info, it will be a shade of dark gray. To the left of the instructions label, you'll see a movie marker that says Sessions. This is where you can review past training sessions. At the top right of the screen, you can view a demo. The View Demo feature provides voiceover instructions of a clip. Not all clips will have a demo, but if there is a demo, it's recommended that you view it before training. This is used entirely for coaching purposes. At the top left of the screen, you'll see Record Training. You will select this when you are ready to begin training. Once you select Record Training, you will be in the training simulation and your performance will be evaluated. You will not see the performance text cues that you see in the video now. All you will see is the practice screen, as if you were actually on the field. When you train, it's important that you're practicing how you play. That means you are going through the correct quarterback motions, progressing through your reads, using correct calls, and using proper footwork, even when you're inside of the headset. Training should not be stationary. Always be looking at the player you're throwing to and say the brevity codes loudly and clearly. As a reminder, in the grading sheet, the brevity codes will be represented as a measure. Here's an example of what it looks like to train using the Rover headset.
Flat, cross, flat rip.
After each clip has been trained, you can review the grading. Each performance task is measured and stored inside of the software for you to view as soon as the training clip is finished. If the grading sheet is incorrect, you can override it by selecting the boxes that say pass. Make sure you save your results so they accurately depict themselves inside of the stats panel. And that concludes your tutorial on how to train and use your ROVR app.
To begin casting, open the RCVR app from your PC desktop. The app will open in standby, waiting for the rover to connect. When the training page opens, place the red dot on the red video icon in the upper left corner to begin casting to your PC.